Namaste and welcome everybody on this learning platform. We are going to we are doing it, that is hobbies. And what do you understand by hobbies? Hobbies is considered to be a activity that usually a person does in leisure time. It is done for enjoyment or it can be like collecting stamps. The first one, that is called physically collecting stamps, singing, dancing, or anything that a person enjoy. Hobbies include collecting themed items and objects, engaging in creative and artistic pursuits. Like if you enjoy collecting different kinds of drawings, or you enjoy doing drawings, or you enjoy collecting marbles or she shells, or anything that you enjoy doing, that is hobby. And it develops skill and gives enjoyment. Okay, so do you know the hobby of stamp collecting is called philately? Do you know one who collects stamps? Call it is philatelist. It is philatelist. Correct the spelling, please. Discuss the class in the class that other things could be fun to collect. What can be done? Now you can discuss with your friends. You may have many friends in the school or at home. Do you have a pen friend? Now what do you understand by pen friend? Nowadays letter writing is not in vogue. Nowadays we do Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp. But here pen friend means a person who have not you are a friend with a person whom you have not met, right? By making friends by writing letter only, this is, or email friend, it is here also email friend. But nowadays we are more into friends whom we meet on socializing sites. Now a pen friend is a person regularly writes to without meeting. Nowadays it's not. Earlier it was a very interesting hobby, where a person used to interact with the person of any other country by writing letters only. It was fun. But nowadays you can interact anybody around the world just by the click of mouse. So pen friend is now, we can say, is not very common. Given on the next page are few names from the pen pal. Pal means friend. A column of a magazine with the addresses, age groups, email address, and hobbies. Now see what these people enjoy doing it. Now add your name with your particulars to the list. Then select any two you would like to make friends with. Give reason for your selection. Now you try to understand that you want to make friend to the people who share similar hobbies, or to whom you find interesting, right? So there are, when you choose to make someone friend, you must be seeing some qualities in them, like he should be helpful, or he should be telling you about different things that you want to know, like Silva Vizoni, Giselle Lima, AV Parana 40. This is the address, and this person is of 11-year-old. And what does she, Sylvia, तो she ही होना चाहिए. Playing badminton, computer games, painting, stamp collecting. Now here another address. It is this person is from Zimbabwe, so it's fun to meet the people around the world. R. Shankar, and he's from Tamil Nadu. Molly Roth, it's from USA. So these people have different hobbies: writing letter, internet surfing, fishing, theater means acting karna pasand hai, making friends, dancing, talking. Talking is also hobby. And this person is from Japan, and he loves Hiromi Ento, playing guitar, traveling, gardening. Gardening is also a very good hobby, whereas traveling too is very fulfilling hobby. And he's of 10-year-old and he is from Bangkok. Singing, writing poems, reading, playing, all these are hobbies that may be similar to yours. Now you have to put up your name in order to make friend. Now read this extract from the story The Collectors by Rohinton Mistry and learn how a new hobby can be developed. This story is an interesting one. Please focus here. They say they sat at his desk and Dr. Modi opened a drawer to take out a large book. This was the first stamp album I ever had, said Mr. Modi. It was given to me by my Nusurwanji uncle when I was of four of your age. All the pages were empty. Empty means it was blank. He began turning them. They were covered with stamps, each a feast. What do you mean by feast? Feast is uh, uh, feast is a party. But when you enjoy something, when you eat food, when you go to party and you eat food, then you are eating food, you are feasting. When you enjoy seeing something tremendously, then it is feast for your eyes. Each feast of color and design, he talked as he turned the pages, and Jahangir watched and listened, glancing at the stamps flying past. Flying past means वो पेज टर्न अप हो रहा था. He was turning the page and it was flying past at Dr. Modi's face with at the and then stamps again. He was so fascinated. He was glancing at the stamp flying past and then at Dr. Modi's face and then stamps again. He was so fascinated. The album on the decks seemed to bring about a tremendous means huge change in Dr. Modi. His voice was with charged with inspiration. Charged means a very strong emotion. He was emotionally very. He has a strong emotion of inspiration. Inspiration is a feeling, a person or a thing that makes you to do something or give you some excitement. There was a faraway look upon his face and a glitter. Glitter means shine, chamak, in the eyes in which heretofore, matlab heretofore means abhi se pehle. From abhi se pehle, Jahangir had only seen sorrow. Sorrow means sadness. The album now worked its magic, jadoo, through him upon the boy. Jahangir, watching and listening, fascinated. Fascinated means very excited. He had a magical effect. The stamps had a magical effect on him. Tried to read the names of the countries at the top of the pages as they speed. Past tense. The past tense of speed is sped by Antigua, Australia, Belgium, Bhutan, Bulgaria, and so on through to Malta and Mauritius, Romania and Russia, Togo and Tonga, and a final blur through which he caught Yugoslavia and Zanzibar. Means it was arranged alphabetically. Look, this is Nasurwanji uncle. He is Dr. Modi and he is Jahangir. He is Dr. Modi. Dr. Modi and he is Jahangir. And he is showing his stamp album and he is very excited. Now can I see it again? He asked and Dr. Modi handed the album to him. So what do you think? Do you want to be a collector? Now see here, the conversation is going on. That is direct conversation. It is direct speech. Jahangir nodded eagerly. Eagerly means with all enthusiasm. And Dr. Modi laughed. When Nasurwanji uncle showed me his collection, I felt just like that. I'll tell you mother what to buy for you to get you started. Bring it here next Sunday same time. Now Dr. Modi is supporting Jahangir as he has find someone who share the same hobby. And next Sunday, Jahangir was ready at 9 since he was very excited to learn how to collect stamps. He was ready. When you are very excited, you do the things at the right time, right? But he waited by Dr. Modi's door with the stamp album for beginners and a packet of 100 assorted stamps. Assorted means different kinds of stamps, all countries. Going too early would mean sitting under the baleful eyes means not a good loving eyes, evil eyes. The Mrs. Modi didn't like this hobby, so she might be finding Jahangir as an intruder. So she didn't like Jahangir. So she gave not a good look to Jahangir. So this is baleful eyes of Mrs. Modi. 10 o'clock struck. Past tense strike. Past tense of strike is struck, and the clock's 10th bong. Bong means ringing sound. बॉन्ग मीन्स रिंगिंग साउंड, जो घड़ी में बजता है ना, वो वॉज इकोड मतलब आवाज़ हुई, मतलब गूंज जाना. बाय डॉक्टर मोदीज डोर चाइम्स जो आवाज़ करने वाला जो रहता है घड़ी में, उसको कहते हैं. मिसेस मोदी वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग हिम एंड दिस टाइम व्हाट इज देयर and this time she did not block the doorway. Wordlessly means without word, कुछ बोले बिना. She beckoned means इशारा करना, instruction, by not saying anything, just by gesture and posture, asking him to come in. Burzor uncle was ready too and came out almost immediately to rescue him from her arena. वह बुर्ज़ोर अंकल भी आ गए थे और एकदम जल्दी से वो आ गए कि भाई और ज़्यादा उसको कष्ट ना हो मिसेस मोदी के बेलफुल और नॉट सो गुड कंपनी में. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ सी हियर, शी इज़ मिसेस मोदी and he is Jahangir, and who does Mrs. Modi doesn't like Jahangir and the company he is about to give to her husband. Now let's see what you have got here. He said when they were in his room, they removed the cellophane paper, cellophane paper that you use to cover the transparent paper. And while they worked, Dr. Modi enjoyed himself as much as the boys. Since they are enjoying the hobby, similar kind of hobby, they are enjoying each other's company and they are enjoying doing the work together. His deepest wish appeared to be coming true. He had at last found someone to share his hobby with, his young recruit. Share hobby with, full stop. His young recruit was so quick to learn. Recruit means जो नया एम्प्लॉय होता है, जिसको नया रिक्रूटमेंट किया जाता है, काम पे रखा जाता है सीखने के लिए. तो his young recruit was so quick to learn how to identify and sort means arrange, like chronicle order या alphabetical order or country wise order. That is any way you can sort things by countries. Learn the different currencies means the money that is used in particular country. Spot watermark is the prints that gets on the stamp. Already he was skillfully folding and moistening means गीला करना, to उसको गीला करके जो लगाया जाता है. The little hinges means जो बुक का जो ये रहता है ना, स्पाइरल बाइंडिंग रहता है, तो वो जो कॉर्नर वाला रहता है दैट इज़ हिंजेस, एंड माउंटिंग मीन्स उसमें पेस्ट करना द स्टैम्प्स एज नीटली एज द टीचर, मतलब उसमें उस एल्बम में वो उसको फटाफट अरेंज करके लगा रहा है. When it was almost time to leave, Jahangir asked if he could examine again Nasarwanji uncle's album, the one he had seen last Sunday, but Burzor uncle led him instead to a cupboard in the corner of the room. Since you enjoy looking at my stamps, let me show you what I have here. He unlocked its door. Each of the cupboard. Now see his rich collection of stamps. Each of the cupboards 4 shelves. एक कबर्ड में 4 शेल्फ्स था एंड वॉज पाइल्ड विद मीन्स इकट्ठा किया हुआ था, बहुत सारे एक के ऊपर एक रखा हुआ था, विद बिस्किट टीन्स एज स्वीट टीन्स, राउंड, ओवल, रेक्टेंगुलर, स्क्वायर. बुर्जोर अंकल रीच आउट फॉर अ बॉक्स एट रैंडम मीन्स कहीं से भी एक उठा लेना, एंड शोड हिम इनसाइड. इट वॉज चॉक फुल मीन्स पूरी तरह से एकदम ऊपर तक भरा हुआ था stamps. Jahangir mouth fell open. He was totally surprised to see this. Fell open means it is a phrase which means he was very surprised. उसका मुंह खुला का खुला ही रह गया. Then he gaped at the shelves as Burzor uncle laughed. And Dr. Modi was enjoying himself and the way Jahangir was behaving. He was loving it. Yes, all these teens are full of stamps, and the big cupboard box at the bottom contains 6 new albums, all empty. Means Dr. Modi is has the plan to fill all these albums. He is going to continue his hobby with more stamps and more albums. Jahangir quickly tried to assign a number in his mind to the stamps, the countries of Magan Lala Biscuitwala and Maganlal Biscuitwala and Lokmanji Mithai Wala. Means the container was of these. You get the mithai dabba from, if you buy from a branded shop, they will give you their dabbas, and container the name is imprinted on them. Now, to all the stamps in the round tins and the oval tins, the square ones and the oblong ones, he failed. Means he was unable to guess how many stamps he could have, Dr. Modi could have. Once again, Dr. Modi laughed at the boy's wonder. He was enjoying, Dr. Modi was entirely enjoying boy's amusement. A lot of stamps, and they took me a lot of years to collect. Of course, I am lucky I have many contact in foreign countries. Dr. Modi has a many contact. He is a man of contact. Means he must be very friendly. Because of my job, I meet the experts from abroad who are invited by the Indian government. When I tell them about my hobby, they send me stamps from their countries. It means he is telling his hobbies to the different people so that he can get the stamps. But no time to sort them. उसको arrange करने का उनको time नहीं मिला. So I pack them in the boxes. One day after I retire, I will spend all my time with my stamps. He is so passionate about his hobby that he is collecting all the stamps randomly and packing it in the boxes. And he is planning when he will retire, he will arrange all these stamps in a proper way, the way he wants. He paused and shut the cupboard doors. So what you have to do now is start making lots of friends. Tell them about your hobbies. If they also collect, you can exchange duplicates with them. If they don't, you can still ask them. अगर नहीं भी है तो उन लोग के पास अगर होगा तो it can be shared. So this is, can ask them all the envelopes they may be throwing with the stamps on them. Right? Start making lots of friends. Tell them about your hobby. If they collect, you can exchange duplicates with them. डुप्लीकेट्स मीन्स उसी का जो सेम कॉपी होता है. इफ़ दे डोंट, you can still ask them for all the animals they may be throwing. or listen, when someone do not have that particular hobby, तो उसके लिए तो वो वेस्ट ही है. तो वो वाला वेस्ट जो वो फेंक रहे होंगे वो उन्हें जहांगीर को स्टैम्प्स कम से कम दे दे. यू डू समथिंग फॉर देम and they will do something for you. You know, all the everything depends on how you behave. If you give, you can ask for something. Your collection will grow depending on how smart you are. So this is the story of Jahangir and the hobby he is about to begin. Now let's complete the exercise part. On the basis of your reading of the extract, complete the following statement. On the first day, Dr. Modi showed Jahangir his first, try to follow my words, his first stamp album. While flipping through, means turning the pages, through the pages of the album, Dr. Modi's face was charged with inspiration, and his eyes glittered. Jahangir wanted to see the album because the album worked its magic upon him. जादू कर दिया था उस album ने. To begin with, stamp collection hobby, Jahangir bought a stamp album for beginners and packet of stamps. Dr. Modi was very happy on helping Jahangir, for his deepest wish had been to share his hobby with someone. Dr. Modi was happy with his young recruit because he could teach to identify and sort stamps, because he could teach different currencies to Jahangir, because to tell him to spot watermarks, so he could skill him to arrange the stamps neatly, because he had got the good company who share the similar hobby. Jahangir was surprised when Dr. Modi showed him the biscuit and sweet tins, because tins were full of stamps from different countries. To be a good stamp collector, Dr. Modi advised Jahangir to start making lots of friends, share hobby, exchange duplicates. A good stamps collection depends upon the smartness or interest of an individual. जितना ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट होगा उस चीज़ को कलेक्ट करने के लिए, उतना ज़्यादा डीप डिज़ायर होगा, एंड द कलेक्शन विल ग्रो. दिस एक्सट्रैक्ट, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. दिस इज B.5. This is B.5. The extract means part of something big. Extract describes two visits of Jahangir to Dr. Modi's house. The following points briefly describe what happened in the two visits. However, the points have got mixed. Sort out. Now you have to do the sorting, means arranging things according to some specific order. The points and list them under two headings given below. Also arrange them in the correct order as they appear in the extract. Now you read out all these, and you have to fill up all this here. I have done 1, 2. For example, I'll help you to mark. I will be marking all the answer, and just you have to write it here. You have to fill all these lines here. Okay, so this is how it is. Now this one was of the first visit or the second visit. You have to arrange, like, first you have to arrange whether these statements are of first visit or second visit, right? And thereafter, even if it was of the first visit or second visit, you have to arrange it in a chronicle order. Means what happened first, what thereafter, what happened thereafter, what happened. So you have to arrange in that way. Now see here, expressed desire to see the album again. This was in the first visit. Dr. Modi advised him how to begin the hobby. Yes, it was in the first visit itself. Was wonderstruck by Dr. Modi's collection of stamps. Second visit में उन्हें दिखाया गया था. Doctor saw Mr. Modi's first stamp. It was in the first visit. Wanted to be a stamp collector. First visit में ही जहांगीर ने decide किया. He decided that he wanted to be a stamp collector. Learned how to identify and sort stamp. It was in second visit. Helped Dr. Modi to mount stamps in the album. That was in second visit. And now then the album had a magical effect on him. First visit, saw the biscuit and sweet tins full of stamp. That is on second visit. Now see here, I have given the number that in a chronicle order कि कौन सा event पहले आएगा और बाद में आएगा. तो first is this one, and then second, express a desire to see the album again. In the first, I am talking about the first column. First column में जो भरना है, that is in the first visit. Second, and then third, and then fourth, and then fifth. All five have to be arranged in a has to be put in first visit column, and thereafter you do it in the second visit column में क्या हुआ था, ठीक है, and arrange it in a chronicle order. Do it of your own. Human beings are essentially social beings. Dr. Modi also advised Jahangir to make lots of friends. How can socializing help us in achieving our goals in better ways? Share your views with your partner. How it shares your views. How it helps. If you are social, if you are friendly, if you are gregarious, you are able to make friends, it will help you a lot in different hobbies. You can talk and enjoy the time. You can learn many skills by just talking to the person. So it helps, and you discuss with your friend, and we will do it in the class. Now, life skill. Time management is the cornerstone of success. Planning your week ahead helps you to manage time effectively. Prepare your weekly plan below. Do not forget to dedicate time to your hobby. Yes, dear students, even if you are burdened with study, you must follow your hobby. Like if you like singing, must sing. If you like playing, must play. If you like drawing, do that. If you like dancing, pursue that. Okay, so you have to arrange your routine in this table and try to follow, because time management is very important. Now, values. Nasur Ranji uncle gave Dr. Modi his first stamp album. Dr. Modi became a mentor for Jahangir. Mentor means guide. Our elders are a treasure house of knowledge and experience, but we often ignore them. हम लोग ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. हमारे जो घर में बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं वो दे आर ट्रेजर मीन्स उनके पास बहुत खजाना होता है, हाउस ऑफ नॉलेज एंड एक्सपीरियंस, बट वी ऑफन इग्नोर them and fail to realize their importance in our life. Write 3 things which you would like to do for your grandparents and parents to make them feel special. Not you can do number of things to make your parents feel special or your grandparents feel special. Like for your parents, you can do, if you will excel, your parents will feel special. If you make something for your parents, they will feel good. And similarly for grandparents, if you'll spend time with them or help them, it will make them feel special, that you are caring. Listen to their life experience. Grandparents are treasure, as it is said that they are treasure of knowledge. So listen to their life experience. They would love to share it, and it will make them feel special. You do it of your own life. Now see here, match the following expression from the passage with the ideas they convey. Now these are the expression and the ideas they are conveying. Now feast of color and design means very attractive. Flying past means moving quickly. Worked its magic, had a fascinating effect. Rescue him, save him. Mouth fell open, very surprised. This is it. Now words in the passage which means same as following. Now giving a quick short look. This is glancing, GLANCING. Great, that is tremendous, TREMENDIOUS. turned set of bells echoed, tuned set of bells जो आवाज़ आती है. A new member, recruit, 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 shaped with length greater than the breadth, वो तो rectangular होता है. Now Jahangir began to act on Dr. Modi's advice seriously. As suggested by him, he decided to make new friends and discuss his hobby of collecting stamps with them. Here is a dialogue between Jahangir and Mukund. Now he has made one friend who is Mukund. Fill in the blanks appropriately to complete the conversation that takes place between them. Conversation means बातचीत. Now अगर दो friend बातचीत करेंगे and if they are talking about their hobby, तो you can easily tell how what they would be talking about or what they will be talking. Okay, now let's complete it. Jahangir, hello, I am Jahangir, I am 12 years old. Mukund, hello, I am Mukund, I am 13 years old. I love listening to music. I also like photography and collecting stamp. Now see here, the person now Jahangir too has met a person who shares the same habit of collecting stamp, that is philately. Oh, I am so glad I found you. Even I have just started collecting stamp as a hobby. Now in that case, both of us can be good friends. Now they are discussing about their hobby. How many stamps have you collected so far? I have collected. Now how you will complete the conversation? Now this has to be written. This has to be written on the basis of this. Now the answer is I have collected around 50 stamps. Most of them are from envelopes that my father throws away. तो ये क्वेश्चन है, ये आंसर है. तो क्वेश्चन ये क्या होगा? हाउ मेनी स्टैम्प्स हैव यू कलेक्टेड सो फार? तो दिस आंसर इज आई हैव कलेक्टेड अराउंड 50 स्टैम्प्स. मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर फ्रॉम एनवलप्स दैट माई फादर थ्रोज अवे. नाउ यू हैव टू फिल, यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू द स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस. मतलब बात थोड़ी लंबी चल रही है तो और लाइन्स ऐड करने हैं. आई हैव फ्यू एक्स्ट्राज आई विल गिव यू. डू यू हैव एक्स्ट्रा टू शेयर? नाउ सी हियर, नाउ जहांगीर इज स्मार्ट. नाउ ही इज ट्राइंग टू ग्रो हिज कलेक्शन. तो उसने तो तुरंत ऑफर कर दिया कि मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा है, मैं तुम्हें दूंगा. और देने के साथ ही उसने ये भी पूछ लिया अगर तुम्हारे पास एक्स्ट्रा है तो प्लीज़ गिव मी. आई ऑल्सो हैव. तो ऑब्वियसली अगर एक्स्ट्रा है तो देने में क्या जा रहा है, अच्छी बात है. और दोनों का जो कलेक्शन है दैट विल ग्रो. आई हैव ऑल्सो सम स्टैम्प्स. आई विल पास देम ऑन टू यू. डू यू नो एनी वन हु हैज़ द सेम हॉबी? अगेन on the basis of the answer, this question has been, you must be asking कि ये question कहाँ से आ गया. तो ये question is from the subsequent answer, subsequent statement that was put by Jahangir. तो इसीलिए ये question लिखा गया. question देखो क्या, my friend Sukanya also collects stamps. We will find out others who collect stamps and soon form a club. अब ये लोग है ना सिमिलर माइंडेड पीपल को, लाइक माइंडेड पीपल को सर्च कर रहे हैं. तो मुकुंद सीधे इससे बड़ा है, शायद थोड़ा उसको जानकारी ज़्यादा है, तो वो अब चाह रहा है कि अगर एक बंदा मिल गया तो उसके कांटेक्ट में और भी होंगे जो कि सेम हॉबी परस्यू करना चाहते हो. तो डू यू नो एनी वन हु हैज़ द सेम हॉबी? तो ये जहांगीर बोल रहा है येस, माई फ्रेंड सुकन्या ऑल्सो कलेक्ट स्टैम्प्स. वी विल फाइंड अदर्स हु कलेक्ट स्टैम्प एंड सून फॉर्म अ क्लब. अब वो क्लब फॉर्म करने वाले जहाँ पर सारे लोग इकट्ठे होंगे और स्टैम्प के बारे में बात करेंगे, फिलेटली के बारे में बात करेंगे. ऑल दे आर फिलेटलिस्ट. एंड देन वेरी सून वी विल हैव अ साइजेबल कलेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट इज दिस, collection to talk about. This is about. We will also make some pen pals. Pen pals means pen जो फ्रेंड्स दूसरे कंट्री में रहते हैं जिससे लेटर लिख करके दोस्ती की जाती है, दैट इज़ पेन पल्स. पल्स मीन्स दोस्त और पेन मीन्स पेन. पेन के थ्रू जो फ्रेंड्स बनते हैं दैट इज़ पेन पल्स. द फ्रेंड विच इज़ मेड थ्रू पेन्स. They may also like to send us the stamps of different countries. Now see here, following are followings are the names of some famous writers, books, and this is it. They are different books and characters. Work with your partner and classify them under the 3 headings given below. 3 headings क्या है कि ये अगर राइटर है तो राइटर के कॉलम में डालना है, ये अगर कैरेक्टर है तो उसको कैरेक्टर के कॉलम में डालना है, एंड इफ इट इज़ अ बुक like Alice in Wonderland, so it has to be kept in the book column. So I have sorted it, and you see it, that is all these are writer: Enid Blyton, R.K. Narayan, V.S. Naipaul, Arundhati Roy, Arthur Conan Doyle, Salman Rushdie. Whereas these are the books Harry Potter. Harry Potter is book as well as character. हैरी पॉटर जो है ना किताब के साथ साथ एक कैरेक्टर भी है. द एडवेंचर ऑफ टॉम सॉवर, एसोप फैबल्स, ग्रिम्स फेरी टेल, गुलिवर ट्रेवल्स, Julian, all these are books, whereas characters are Swami, that you have read the story in literature. Tintin, Hansel, Aladdin, Hercule Poirot, all these are Poirot, all these are characters. So this is it. Now reading is a hobby. Yes, reading too is a hobby. Few people enjoy reading stories. सर्वे योर क्लास एंड फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट एन्जॉय दिस हॉबी. ये थोड़ा कम ही लोग करते होंगे. हाँ, अगर वीडियो गेम की बात होगी तो देयर विल बी मेनी पीपल, राइट, है ना. तो एवरी चाइल्ड मस्ट रीड 2 to 3 बुक्स. यू मस्ट inculcate the habit of reading. Reading is a very fulfilling hobby. It enriches you, it will enriches you, and your imagination power will increase, and you will able to see the world in a different perspective. So try to read 2 to 3 books in a year. एक साल में तो इतना पढ़ ही सकते हो. To select a good book to read, to go through some good reviews in newspaper and magazine. They will help you to decide which book to read. Now reading choice of book depends on your hobby, what is your liking. So टाइम वेस्ट करने से अच्छा है कि पहले किताब के बारे में जान लिया जाए कि कौन सी किताब पढ़ना सही रहेगा, तुम्हारे लिए सूटेबल है. तो उसके लिए वेयर यू हैव टू गो, तो बुक रिव्यू आता है न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन्स में. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द बुक यू कैन लुक फॉर द रिव्यूज़. ओके, द रिव्यू इज़ अ क्रिटिकल रिपोर्ट ऑफ अ बुक. प्ले, फिल्म, एक्सेट्रा आता है ना, फिल्म का रिव्यू आता है कि फिल्म अच्छा है कि बुरा है. रेटिंग्स दिया जाता है कि 3+ दे, 3 स्टार दिया जा रहा है, 5 स्टार दिया जा रहा है, या फिर 1.5 दिया जा रहा है, मतलब बहुत उतना अच्छा नहीं है. तो अगर रेटिंग मिल जाता है तो ऑडियंस को और रीडर्स को दे गेट द क्लू कि ये कितना अच्छा या अच्छा नहीं है. Now listen to the audio compiled by the listen and comprehend. After listening, answer the question asked related to the script verbally. Now you have to answer it verbally. Listen to the tape script once again and attempt to give the question. The tape script is also given on page number 54. So let's go to the page number 54 quickly. This is 54. Yeah, this is 54 page number. Now see here, the little library. Hi folks, fox means friends. Hi folks, let me tell you about a very different kind of library that my friend and I go to. It's called the Little Library. We don't just go there to borrow books. Instead, we get together and have a reading party. मज़ा आता है party करना. Now here, different. See the interesting part. Reading party होता है इन लोग का. सब लोग बैठ कर पढ़ते हैं. Each one of us brings out a favorite book or the books we are currently reading and loads of chocolate bars. The more chocolates, the better. We stretch out on our tummies in a cool place, and guess what we do? We read. And when something really great or interesting or funny comes along, we don't forget to tell each other about it. Definitely, कुछ interesting होता है तो you want to share it. Listen to what I am taking to the reading party today. Now see here, this boy is आज वो reading party में ले जा रहा है Scholastic Science Dictionary, and this has about 224 pages and its का cost 500 है. काफ़ी महंगा है भाई. Yes, I am really excited about this dictionary. My mother bought it because she is writing science textbook for kids like you and me. When I first opened it, his mother is author. She is writing book, that is based on science. When I first opened it, the colors and the beautiful picture got me very interested. You know, children generally get attracted by the presentation of the book. If there are beautiful pictures, they get more interested. So I started seeing the pictures and reading their captions. And if you have come up to this, यहाँ तक अगर आप लोगों ने देख लिया है, तो tell me one book which is given on page number 43. That is given on page number, not 43, page number 46. Write in the comment box the one book of your choice from page number 46. Let me see if you have seen, you are watching the video or not. Chalo. So I started seeing the picture and reading their caption and found that every page had attractive illustrations. I just kept on reading and discovered means to find out a couple of interesting things about the dictionary. Dictionary के बारे में कुछ interesting fact है. First, it tells how to say a word correctly. That is how to pronunciate in an easy way. Suppose the word is pupa, its pronunciation is given as, now see how it is pronunciated. Pupa. That is the pronunciation. Pupa. Pupo. It is given a pupa. We generally, how we will read it, pupa. But here its actual pronunciation is pupu. Pupo. The entry even says that it comes from the Latin word for doll, which will surely help me remember it better. And three illustrations, means examples are given as an examples: a butterfly, a honeybee, and a beetle. Beetle means insect. Now I will always say pupu correctly and remember its meaning easily. Really difficult to pronunciate. Words from all the sciences are included, and that helps me because I am not sure yet whether to study physics or biology. Another feature that is really useful is that the names of different scientists are mentioned. Mary Leakey, the anthropologist. Anthropologist means a person who studies about human science. Now if you have listened to this audio, यहाँ तक अगर पहुँच गए हैं तो comment box में write the meaning of anthropologist. And Johannes Kepler, the astronomer. For example, in fact, the dictionary has more than 140 brief biographies of important scientists, and over 2,400 scientific words are clearly defined. So this is the dictionary. This is the book he is reading here. Now you have to fill this. Now carefully listen to the tape script and complete the following. On the basis of that reading, the speaker mother bought this dictionary because she was writing science textbook for kids. I have taken it from the page number 54, okay? 54 and 55. You go through it if you have went. The speaker was first attracted by the colorful and beautiful pictures in the dictionary. The dictionary gives the pronunciation of different words in a easy manner. The speaker is interested in both physics and biology. Dear students, before doing this, please go through the page number 54 and 55 carefully. And I have asked one question there, answer it in comment box. The dictionary gives brief biographies of more than 140 scientists. Your school is celebrating Book Week. As a secretary of the literary club of school, prepare a speech to be delivered in the school assembly on the need to inculcate means उस habit को develop कराना and strengthen a reading habit. Advise your schoolmates to make maximum use of the school library and to keep a record of the books you read. You can take help of the following clues. Now a book क्या करता है. Now on this basis, this point has to be included while you prepare a speech. A book makes you a better person, enhances personality, develops writing skill. Yes, very nice. Keeps you updated, develops the power of discretion. Discretion means the power to the freedom and power to make decision of yourself. Means you can take better decision if you read the books, because it will give you the insight of the society, the book, and it will make you a better person, of course. Stimulates imagination, तुम्हारी imagination power improve होगा, vocabulary improve होगा. These has to be included while you make deliver a speech. Now it has to be done by yourself. Shoemaker and the Diamond. Okay, so you read it yourself, and that's all. Bye. Thank you.